the best cure for deadbeat dads may be to ensure they don't become dads again. In the family court in Campbell County, Kentucky, men who've had more than 4 children with at least 3 different women and who owe more than $10,000 in child support are given a choice. They can go to jail for 30 days or have a vasectomy. Joining us now is Campbell County Family Court Judge Mickey Foellger. Your Honor, first of all, thanks for taking time to join us.
Well, you're welcome. Happy to be here.
Just tell me what your goal in this policy is. Is it right to say policy, or is this a choice in sentencing?
Well, I suppose you could call it sentencing, but it's not really a criminal case. Of course, these are contempt charges in civil cases of child support. They're non-support cases, failure to pay child support. The intent really is an individual case situation. One person asked me, is this supposed to be a deterrent? And it's not. It wasn't even meant to be public, really. It's not supposed to be a deterrent for other persons. This is really a case-by-case situation where I'm trying to resolve a situation or find a solution.
It certainly deters the guy from having any more kids. I mean, that's...
Well, that's for sure. Yes, in the individual case, it's a deterrent. It's a very good deterrent. Yes.
But how does it make him want to pay child support? Isn't the goal here to have this deadbeat dad pay child support for the kids that he's brought into this world? Make him responsible.
Exactly. It's not a direct encouragement to pay. He's still subject to future incarceration. In other words, this doesn't wipe out his contempt. In this individual instance of contempt, he's got this option. I've already found him in contempt, and I've sentenced him. And then after the sentencing, he's given an option to purge or probate the sentence by getting a vasectomy. Now, if he gets the vasectomy and he comes back next year and he hasn't paid again, he's going to go to jail because that option's no longer available. Well, so in other words, he still has to pay child support. This is really, my goal is to stop him from having more kids because he's gone over the limit that I've created.
Well, okay, and you've set the limit. Has anybody taken this option yet?
Oh, yeah. I've had 6 men, and 5 of the 6 have taken the option of the vasectomy over the jail sentence. Only one man said, oh, no, I'll go to jail.
And,
the others...
these are guys that have been pulled in, they've been found to be deadbeats, and you've pulled them in, brought them before your bench, and said, pay up, and I'll give you a choice of not going to jail if you get a vasectomy.
Right. I mean, the process is, do you admit you're $10,000 behind? And they do admit, or we have evidence to prove that they are. And once they're found in contempt, I sentence them. Now, in certain cases in Kentucky, the limit is 30 days. That's why the 30 days comes up.